Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create amazing-looking beauty thumbnails for your YouTube videos. So, if you're in the category of creating beauty makeup tutorials, skincare, or self-care videos on YouTube, then this video is for you. Also, if you don't know how to design a thumbnail and you're just starting and have no idea about creating one for your beauty category YouTube videos, then this video is perfect for you. So go to canva.com and just log in or create an account, and after doing so, this is the interface you'll see. Go to the search option and search for Beauty Thumbnail. So in Canva, you'll get two options to design your thumbnail. You can create one from scratch, starting with a blank template, or choose another option. You can also customize already made pre-templates by professionals. So we will go with the second option. As you can see, there are a lot of options, and you can modify whichever thumbnail you like. Some are paid templates, but you don't have to worry about that. You will find other professional-looking free thumbnails as well. You can see styles from elegant, minimalist, to professional. Every type of thumbnail is available, and you just need to modify it with your own branding and images. So let me just explore, and whichever fits your expectations, you can customize that one. So maybe I'll go with... Let me see which looks right. So this one looks good to me, and it's free as well. So I'll just click on it, and it will give more options. For now, I will go with this one. You can search for more templates after modifying it as you like. Now I'm able to modify anything I want. Look at how good Canva is. Now I can just replace the image, add my own text and branding, and export it in the right format. So if you want to change the text or anything related to it, I'll give a summary. Just click on the text you want to change and go to the font options. If you want to change the font, just select whichever one you like. Here is the option to increase the font size. And here is the option for text color. You can pick a color, and here's the option for bold formatting. There's also an option for italic and underline. This is for strike-through, and this is to make text uppercase or lowercase. Here is alignment, and here is for making a list. This is for line spacing or letter spacing. And this is transparency. And here you have effects if you want to add them. If you want to curve your text, select Curve, and you can play around with it. Right now, I'm removing it, and there are even more options. This is the animation option. You don't need to add animation to a thumbnail. Go to the Position options. If you want to arrange the position, that's about text. Now, if you want to add or change the thumbnail image, then you need to go to Uploads. If you have your own image, upload it from your computer. After uploading, your image will appear here. For example, I will be replacing this image with my image, just like this. Just drag and replace, or drag and drop. And because it was a full image, that's why the model, this woman, has been replaced. If you just want to add a background, you can add a transparent background to your image, just like this. And just flip it like this. You can add it like this, or maybe I'll go with another background. If you want to choose a background from the Canva library, then go to Elements and search for maybe Beauty. This is a beauty, and go to the photos. Maybe background, and yeah, like this. And I'll just add a background. Go to the layer and send it to the back like this. Maybe I'll go with this one. And I'll just, yeah. Like this, you can add your background from Canva's library, or from your computer as well. Just modify whatever you like, and add your own text, logos, branding, everything. And if you're done with your design, please check it once. So make sure everything looks good and you are ready to export. To export, you need to go to the Share option and then to Download. Just download it in PNG because it is for a YouTube thumbnail. If you want to download other formats, that's available too. Just download it and upload it to your videos.